So over the last year, I've fallen into the endless trap of watching One Piece. I'm only 600 episodes in, so you know I had to build something. Brook's sword. Let's build it.
Could you perhaps show me?
Yes, of course I can show you the design. So start with a simple model in FreeCAD. We built out the handle, then the blade. And after that, we built the sheaths. And after everything was modeled, we started printing.
Alright, so we're testing the cane sword. I sliced everything to where it was just the connection points, and so I didn't have to print the entire thing. I'm going to put them together here in a minute and see how they work. Stuck on. The only problem I'm having is with the blade sizes. Alright, so printed the blades. Kind of came out okay. I was a little bit worried how I printed them. You should have cut them up into 4 pieces instead of 2. You can see, especially this one right here, how it has waves here. I'm going to try to fix this. This is pretty bad. So I have this 1/4 inch dowel right here. Unfortunately, not big enough, so. Alright, so I ditched the center dowel idea and just used it as a pin. Everything's put together now. Now the sword. Not glued yet. I think Brook would be pretty happy. Alright, so this is the first part of the sheath. I have the blade downstairs. Let's see if this fits. Pretty tight. After one pass, it's already. Now, you gotta be careful not to paint it too much. Alright, now it's time for everybody's favorite part, sanding. If you're new to 3D printing, get used to it. Alright, so I went to the store today. They were out of spot putty again, so we're gonna use wood filler. The last part of the cane, just finished printing. I've been printing all day. Alright, the blade is glued together. Case glued together. If everything dries, I can get some primer and everything. Painting. Alright, moment of truth that the blade fits and everything glued together right. Oh, that's not good. This would be a bad idea, but sometimes you need force. That part came out. After printing. Changed the design up a little bit, printed new ones for the sheath. Alright, so the other day we broke this. Very disheartening. I've printed new pieces. And a new blade. So we're gonna reassemble those. The sheath is all together. I have the handle. Haven't put the blade together yet. But, alright, the sheath is together, now we're going to put the blade together. There we go, that's sturdy and it gave it a little bit more weight. Alright, blades together. I was able to get the whole dowel through the entire thing, so now there's a solid piece throughout the entire thing. Makes it a little bit more sturdy. Alright. Everything's put together, sanded down, ready to be painted, taped off joints so that nothing gets in there, and now we're gonna get painted. The cane is sanded down, at least the outer part. We've got some gloss purple here. First coat on it. Alright, so the blade is put together, sanded, put some primer on it. do everybody's favorite thing this morning. Cup of coffee and sanding. Blade is sanded down. There's still some layer lines in here that I can see, so I'm going to put another coat of primer over it. Sand it down one more time. Get the metallic paint on it, and assemble everything. We should be good. Okay. The sanding is finally done. Sanded it down to 1,000 grit. Hopefully, I got all the layer lines out of it. Painting this, get this project finished. Alright, so everything is painted. Came out pretty clean. I'm pretty happy with it. So now I just gotta attach everything and yeah, we'll be finished. Alright, we'll let this dry. And so it'll be complete. Alright, after a lot of sanding, a little bit of painting, we have our finished product. Brook's just so solid. I think the paint came out pretty good, but the real question, is it completely functional? I won't put my whole weight into it, but is it cool? Yes. Now I can finally feel my soul. Maybe I can see some.
Yo ho ho ho, yo ho, yo ho, yo ho, yo ho ho, yo ho, yo ho.